Before we begin, a gentle note. You do not have to watch. You are free to close your eyes, walk, rest, drive, or simply listen. Welcome to Celebrate Life Studio. This channel was born from a simple belief. Healing is not something we consume. Healing is something we experience. And transformation is not something someone else can do for us. It is something that slowly unfolds within us. That is why you will find very little to watch here. Not because visuals are wrong, not because beauty does not matter, but because visuals are powerful. They create stories. They direct attention. They tell us what to see and often what to feel. And while there is beauty in that, something important can sometimes be lost. Our own story, our own memories, our own questions, our own feelings, and our own journey. Music and words do something different. They create space. They invite participation. They allow imagination to awaken. A simple sentence may remind one person of childhood. A melody may bring tears to another. A pause may become an invitation to breathe. And somewhere in that experience, we stop consuming and begin listening. Not just to the words, but to ourselves. Because healing is rarely found in distraction. It is found in awareness, in compassion, in honesty, in learning to sit with ourselves without judgment. Perhaps that is why so many people listen while walking, while driving, while resting, while lying awake in the dark. Because these moments are not performances. They are conversations, quiet conversations with ourselves. And sometimes those conversations become turning points. Celebrate Life Studio was never created to compete for your attention. It was created to accompany your life, to offer safety when life feels overwhelming, to offer hope when things feel uncertain, to remind you that you do not have to rush. You do not have to fix everything, and you do not have to become someone else. Because healing is not about becoming a new person. It is about coming home to yourself. And perhaps that journey begins when we stop watching, close our eyes, and simply listen.